now let's hear from them. Please stand for the Goodwill Excel Center class of 2019.
I'm extremely thrilled to stand before you this evening as the new Goodwill Education Board President. We know the challenges that adults may face, but with the right support and the right opportunity, you have empowered yourselves to succeed. You leave this evening as high school graduates, and you have opened the door to a new future for both you and your families.
I can truthfully say, walking through the Excel Center doors was hard after dropping out of high school 20 years earlier. I know that initial trip through the door was hard for all of us. I walked through the doors and told my story and was so grateful there was a caring staff to listen to me and let me know that I was not alone in this journey and I had the support that I so desperately needed. But now I'm so proud to be able to set an example for my kids and how important education is. This has been one of the most amazing experiences, and I can't wait to see what's next for me and my family, and I can't wait to see what's next for all of you.
The courage and fortitude that you have shown to show up to come back to school to do this messy, hard, brave work, that's a big thing. And you have to give yourself credit for that because that was all you. It is my distinct honor to pronounce you graduates of the Goodwill Excel Center.